Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English today is looking at a bit, a little bit. A bit used as an adverb of degree. How much of something, a bit of something. For example, I'm a bit tired. I've been working very hard recently. I'm a bit tired. The meaning is the same as a little. It's a very informal expression. You can say I'm a little tired or I'm a bit tired. Could I have a bit more milk in my tea, please? Or, your daughter's getting a bit old to play with dolls, isn't she? Before a noun, you can use a bit of. For example, I've got a bit of a problem. Finally, ask me how I am. A bit better, thanks. See you next time. Bye for now.